The Black+Decker Cordless Vacuum Cleaner presents a compelling solution for households seeking efficient and convenient cleaning options. With its lightweight design, powerful performance, and versatile features, this handheld vacuum promises to simplify everyday cleaning tasks. Equipped with a bagless dirt bowl, crevice tool, and an upholstery brush, it offers comprehensive cleaning capabilities for various surfaces. Coupled with its one-step storage and charging functionality, this vacuum ensures easy access and hassle-free maintenance. In this review, we delve into the details of its performance, design, specifications, and overall value, highlighting its strengths and suitability for modern households. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. This vacuum cleaner impresses with its efficient performance, offering a convenient solution for quick cleanups and dry spills around the house. With 16 air watts of power, it effectively clears dirt, crumbs, and other debris from carpets, rugs, hardwood floors, tiles, marble, and various other hard surfaces. Its lightweight design, weighing just 1.4 pounds, ensures easy handling for hassle-free cleaning sessions. Number 2. Design and features. Equipped with a bagless 13-ounce translucent dirt bowl, maintenance and cleaning become effortless tasks. The inclusion of a crevice tool enables users to clean hard-to-reach spaces with precision, while the upholstery brush simplifies dusting and cleaning fabric surfaces. The one-step storage and charging feature, facilitated by the wall mount base and charger, ensures the vacuum is always ready for use and conveniently stored away when not in use. Number 3. Versatility. The vacuum's versatility shines through its ability to tackle a variety of surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, and upholstery. Whether it's crumbs on the kitchen floor or dust on the sofa, this vacuum proves to be a versatile cleaning companion. The onboard crevice tool allows for thorough cleaning of nooks and crannies, ensuring every corner of the house is left spotless. Number 4. Build quality and durability. Constructed with quality materials and boasting a sleek dark gray color, this vacuum exudes durability and style. Its compact design makes it easy to store in any household setting, while the 2-year limited warranty assures its longevity and reliability. Made in China, the vacuum adheres to high standards of manufacturing, ensuring consistent performance and customer satisfaction. Number 5. Battery life and charging. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this vacuum delivers reliable performance with each use. The included battery is rechargeable, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements and reducing environmental waste. The one-step charging feature, combined with the wall-mountable base charger, simplifies the charging process, ensuring the vacuum is always ready for action whenever cleaning needs arise. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 7.55 inches length by 8.39 inches width by 20.13 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Black+Decker Cordless Vacuum Cleaner emerges as a standout choice for those seeking a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning solution. Its combination of lightweight design, powerful performance, and convenient features makes it an indispensable tool for quick cleanups and thorough dusting tasks around the house. With its durable construction, long-lasting battery life, and efficient charging system, this vacuum offers both practicality and convenience. Whether it's clearing dry spills from carpets, reaching tight spaces with the crevice tool, or dusting upholstery with the included brush, this vacuum proves to be a valuable asset in maintaining a clean and tidy home. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.